So if you've been trying to build your business, you've been trying to post content, get engagement, try to get some traction on just your content and your posts that you're putting out, but you're a little bit discouraged, then you might want to listen to this video. One of the things that plagues people a lot with social media is a lot of times they don't understand where people's attention is at that moment. A lot of times people are just kind of stuck in doing things the same old way, or they kind of get caught up in trying to be like everybody else. Now, just as important it is to understand trends, it's also important to know where everybody's attention is, because the attention is where you get all of your views and all of your traffic and just all of your comments and engagement that you're looking for. So if you don't know, Facebook has recently launched Facebook Reels, and they launched this last year. Now, yes, Instagram has had their Reels longer. However, there's a different dynamic going on Facebook. And with this dynamic is that a lot of people on Facebook, they literally don't have TikTok, or they don't really frequent on Instagram as much. So if you don't know, Facebook is by far still the largest platform, still has the most people engaging with it than any other platform. Now, with that comes a whole lot of people who are like, well, I don't want to do Instagram Reels, I don't want to do TikTok, I don't want to be on this platform, I don't want to be on platform, and they stick to Facebook. But now if you've been on TikTok or you've been on Instagram, and even with YouTube Shorts, it's very easy to get into that scroll mode where you're just enjoying that, snackable content. So, well, what does that mean on Facebook? Well, on Facebook, that means you have a whole host of people who refuse to get on these platforms, who have not really had the chance to engage or enjoy that type of content. So because of it, as Facebook Reels has been on Facebook, it has gotten a ton of traffic. And the reason why is because it's new on the platform. And when something is new on a platform, or a platform wants to put a lot of attention around this new feature, they're going to give you some of the most organic traffic ever, because they're putting all of their attention there, and they want people to see it because, of course, they have their own agenda behind it. And it's purely just competition because of what's been happening with TikTok. So one of the places that you can get a lot of views on your snackable content, your Reels or your Shorts or your TikToks, is actually on Facebook with Facebook Reels. And of course, just like TikTok at the beginning of 2020 and the end of 2019, the traffic on there is just completely insane for no reason other than we're just trying to push the content out, because we need more content to be able to push out to people. And of course, with that, it also comes with more opportunities like Facebook Reels bonus, same thing as TikTok Creator Fund, same thing as Instagram Reels bonus, as well as YouTube's bonus. So if you're looking to get some real good traffic for your business or for your cause or for your brand, check out Facebook Reels. But give Facebook Reels a shot, check it out, post at least 10 Reels and see how they do. Now, if this has been helpful, feel free to like the video, share with someone else, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.